our coffee brewing pot. First off, the overall dimensions. Height from the bottom to the top of the lid, we have 7 inches with an estimated circumference or radius of 6.5 inches across. The main pot is glass with the handle along with the dispenser and nozzle, plastic. Top lid can be removed to clean all excess and debris along with refilling your coffee or tea. Top lid can be removed. No, that doesn't make sense. No. Coming to the top will be the nozzle to pour your liquid. And also check out our coffee dispenser machines that we sell through Cooler Depot that goes along with these coffee brewing pots. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.